Hello everyone, today we are introducing our iSPM102 series with Type-C connector for Android cell phone, GroupTalk, and it's power from the cell phone. So now we plug it into our Android cell phone and we go to the setting of GroupTalk and we find the Bluetooth LE buttons. Now we find the PTT is available and we press use as primary button. Okay, it's connected. Now we back to the main screen to test. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. We test again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can hear the sound from the other cell phone. Okay, thank you for your watching.